Hey y'all, good morning. It is February. I don't even know. I'm so thrown off this morning. But I'm at Starbucks getting a strawberry smoothie, waiting for my history class to start. Because my English class got out early. You know, it's crazy. My professor thought I wasn't going to be prepared. He tried to spring it on me, my presentation. Definitely prepared last night. Definitely walked in a bit late, and then I came in and I presented just fine. So I'll check back in with y'all later. Got my smoothie. Okay, so y'all, I'm walking to class and the lights aren't on. Just trying to figure out what's going on. It look like we're walking up.
We have a power failure.
An outing.
Well,
my professor said we have a power failure.
Also, that doesn't mean no class?
No, I'm pretty sure she's gonna have class.
Oh my god, if we
Check
have
your
class,
D2L. Check your D2L. How we gonna say I can't write in the dark?
Okay, I'm ready.
Y'all look. This looks like a haunted building. I hope they cancel class because that would do me so much justice. Definitely check your D2L. I hope it stays out for like Sharp. She in there? So I hope class is canceled. Since we can't see and I technically can't write in the dark, I just feel like we should all go home. Okay. Yeah, we can't write in the dark, so I might put some curtains up so we can't see. It wanted to be the only room want to have the biggest window. So we're definitely going to have class because we definitely can still see. She said she gonna cancel it. If she cancel class, we gonna be late. Look, she needs to cancel this because I'm ready to go. I just got here and I'm ready to go. My day is definitely going good today though, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Hopefully, I'm checking back in and tell you guys that my class is canceled. The lights just definitely cut back on. I really thought that class was gonna be canceled. Pretty sure my professor went down there to that electric box and probably worked her magic. That's how much she wanted us to have class. Well, class it is. Okay, y'all. I am in my room. I'm done with my day. It's 4:41. I got out my last class, which is my bio class. I have 4 classes on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Those are my busy days, but I'm done finally. Now I'm in my room, probably gonna get a head start on some of my work. But overall, my day was pretty good. Good morning, y'all. It is February 20th, and I'm on the way to my business class early this morning on the West Campus. Whew, this is my only class today, so I'm pretty happy. It feels great outside. It looks pretty outside. It's always quiet in this building. Like, where everybody be at? I was gonna go get a smoothie, but I got $130 on my dining bucks, and I started off with $300, which means I spent $200 in a month. Yeah, I need to slow down. But today's gonna be a good day. I can feel it. No, don't turn there. I'm not even in the camera. Ooh. I'm out of breath though, but that just really scared me. But I don't really know what else to say because I'm super early to my class. So I guess I'll just post up. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all after class. Y'all, I just bit the heck out of my lip. Smacking on some gum like a ghetto person, but that's what I get. I shouldn't have been smacking on that gum that hard. Like, I was aggressively smacking on that gum. I'm not even hungry, but I was, and I, like, look. It's right there. And it hurts so bad. But I spit the gum out because when you bite your lip, it's time for you to just spit the whole gum out. Just throw the whole gum away. It hurts so bad. And this is the second day in a row. And I bit it hard today. So I can taste the blood. My lip is bleeding that bad. But I got a naked. The strawberry banana is the best in my opinion. Bananas. Strawberries and bananas. So, fruit smoothie, get you naked. You're naked. Okay? Okay guys, it's Wednesday. I'm not feeling my best today. But I'm here, I'm vlogging. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but I'm going to math class. I'm here on time. So I'm a little early, so I gotta wait a little bit, but I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get out of class. Out of class, going to English. Hey Eli. And I was gonna try to go to the bookstore to see if they had manila folders, but honestly I don't think I'll make it. So I'm just gonna keep walking to my English class. Here. I'm out of my English class. We definitely had a quiz and I forgot to read. So definitely failed that thing. But no more. No more L's. Ugh. My hair all in my face. Hey guys, I'm out of class. I just got done eating. I'm in a better mood, as you can see. So what's up Wednesday on the website? So we're in the student center. I guess they're bringing what's up Wednesday to the west. I don't know what it is on the east though. It's probably still over there, but I'm kind of glad that they're incorporating it over here. You hear the music? Dirt. This is Dudson. This is my friend. He's in my world history class, you know. So we struggle together, but we're definitely gonna pass our midterm. Isn't that right? Yeah. We're definitely going to study when the bus comes. So we gotta get this A. Also guys, I'm gonna be in a movie. It's called It Wasn't Me. My friend Woody is producing it and filming it and directing it, all that good stuff. So be on the lookout for that. I'm definitely filming tomorrow, so I'm gonna vlog that. I'm not really sure if you guys can hear me, but I'm talking as loud as I think I can talk, so I don't sound crazy. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get back in my room. Good morning, y'all. I missed the bus. Here is my girls in company. We're our company, whatever, for business majors or whatever. And we're living lavish. Y'all, I missed the bus, came over here for no reason, but guess what? I came to class, signed the roll, and I left. Now I'm going to go eat. So now you don't have to hear me vlogging about how hungry I am like you normally do. And I'm getting a haircut today, so. Hey y'all, I'm back in action, bald head shawty. Walking to my bio class, my bio lab. And then I am designed for the day. So yeah, I'm back to my regular self again. I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get out of class. So y'all, I'm in the classroom and we're finna start recording. So I guess we're on set or whatever. But I'm gonna put my wig back on because I'm supposed to look poor. Yeah. Or what I want. So we're gonna make that happen. What up? I got on a dusty wig. It's supposed to be looking bummy, but look. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and I'm on the way to my next class. I don't know if y'all can see me, but I'm on the way to my next class. But that's my classmate. But we're on the way to my English class now to be productive. And my math class, we didn't really do anything. It wasn't really. I don't know. We never do anything in there. He just writes problems on the board, and it's like, how are you supposed to be teaching us? But he writes problems on the board and tells us to solve them. How do we solve them if we don't know how to do it? Okay, y'all. Now I am in my room studying, being a scholar. Got a test in like an hour. It's 2:34. Test is at 4. So I'm studying, putting in this work so I can get them grades. You dig? Hey y'all, I'm in Atlanta again. Whole situation or whatever. So, yeah, we get ready for the party. Well, the party's supposed to have been started, but people pulling up, running like a little bit tad bit late.
Oh my god, these pants are kind of big.
What's your girl? Fine.
See, this how it really was.
I'm gonna check back in with y'all later.
So I tried it.
So the party is starting, and it's not really like lit, but it's starting.
I'm saying like we finna be fully loaded fully.
Loaded fully.
Talking about like really coming live at you on it, you know what I'm saying? But enjoy the festivities type shit, you know?
ATL house party. It's up. We lit. We lit. Can we get one more shot of hand? So the party's over. It was turned. I didn't get any footage because I didn't want to lose my phone, but I'm now going to bed. So good night.